No.
So,
No.
Wench me
You fall.
quick!
I'm trying. Hang on. Hang on.
Wench me quick! Oh!
I
Oh!
don't know what that tree is too close to you. It doesn't winch anything. I gotta go farther back.
Wench me!
Oh god.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Sweet
Oh.
Lord.
Oh. Oh. Well. Pretty tight turn here. So.
It's just the way I like them. I love my turns tight. I guess I'm stuck on something. I don't know. Here, I see posts.
I see London. I see France.
I see your mom's underpants.
Shut up.
Careful, there's a snake over there.
In my boot.
Damn it! It got me.
Huh.
Uppies.
Yeah, I'm in that.
Uppies. Uppies. Thank you.
August.
Do we have a grill?
Ow! Poke me right in the eye.
Is that
Bird.
eagle? What the f is that?
Bird.
Oh, it's that fucking. Oh god, I had to watch you picked. There we go, I think. Okay, I think we're good.
Oh wait, hang on. I gotta get rid of that back one.
Whoa!
What happened? You getting killed by something? Oh, bird. Okay.
The eagles.
No, it's. I'm trying to repair from the inside. You walking in front of me.
I hate this game.
What you doing back here?
Excellent work,
Oh!
Drew.
Alright.
What are you doing?
I see him rolling down the hill.
What just happened?
He gave me some lip. You got some good air.
Ooh.
Say,
Now
now it's just sad.
I'm stuck. Help.
Oh no, the bird!
You're gonna need to get that winch. Oh wait.
I'm a
Oh,
million. Look up, Matt. Look up. Matt.
Oh my god.
The bird picked me up and dropped me from 1,000,000 miles away. Oh, he did it again. Oh. What did I do? Maybe he doesn't like smoking. Maybe smoking will make him. Nope, he don't give a fuck.
Oh, Drew!
You catch me?
Oh, I tried.
Oh, oh,
Where'd
no.
you go?
Uh-oh. Huh.
Chicken Godzilla. Birds coming my way. Birds coming my way. Wee woo.
They're trying to
bird
get
found
me.
Wow. That's really interesting stuff there.
Hi, Drew. Oh, no. Are you dead?
The bird found me.
So you're dead?
Yeah.
Just kill me. Just pick me up and throw me.
Catch him.
Wait, I didn't cratch it. Yeah, you afraid of snakes?
No.
See that fucking snake?
No.
See that fucking snake?
Why don't we both fly?
Come on, you little bitch. Missed. Well, oh, he got me that time. Oh no. He got me,
I'm
guys.
sorry.
I'm dead.
You're dead.
Oh, we're zooming. Oh, we're zooming. Oh my
Yikes.
God, Kevin. Jesus Christ.
Ah!
Stop! Oh no! It's someone's corpse go flying out the front window.
I don't think that's the way. I think the way where Matt is the way.
Yeah, this is the
Well,
way.
that needs to be winched then too, like, or planked.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
get me out of here. I'm done with this game now.